Hi everyone, and welcome to SIC Forex. I hope everyone is having a successful trading week. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. In this video, I will show you how to download Monster EA, a multi-strategy Forex trading robot for MetaTrader 4. The safest place to download and buy expert advisors is the Mql5 website. On the Mql5 website, I'm going to select Market. Under MetaTrader 4, I'm going to select Experts. Next, I'm going to select Free. Monster EA currently has a 4.91 rating on Mql5 and offers a wide variety of strategies for new and experienced traders. So let's take a closer look at this free expert advisor. There is a dedicated trading group, so you can join them if you want to learn more and connect with other users. On the website, we also have the following available: a 44-page user guide that explains the multitude of settings available for Monster EA. Next, to clear the default settings, use the link provided. They have a large library of different set files, so you can use those for those who don't have the time to create your own. Very important, double check your MetaTrader 4 to ensure that you have the latest version compared to the Mql5 website. The EA Monster is a compilation of hundreds of trading ideas in one expert advisor. It has been programmed with flexibility in mind and offers hundreds of ways to set up trades, close trades, and filter trades. Next, we are going to take a quick look at the settings for this expert advisor on the user manual. In my opinion, Scott has gone to great lengths to explain everything about Monster EA. The trend analyzer can be used as a filter or EA. Monster EA has pre-built strategies that can be selected and also a variety of different money management options. Next, I'm going to my MetaTrader terminal to download the free expert advisor. On MetaTrader 4, I'm going to select View, Terminal. Next, I'm going to select Market. Next, I'm going to select Expert. Then I'm going to select Free. Now that we've done that, I can press the download button and directly download the software onto my terminal. My next step is I'm going to run a back test using the historical tick data against the default. To do this, I'm going to select View, then Strategy Tester. The back test will be performed on the last 12 months of historical data. If you have already used the Expert Advisor or looking to do so, feel free to drop a comment below. Let's take a closer look at the result. During the last 12 months period, Monster EA closed a profit of $88.22. On the graph, we see a positive curve with periods of drawdown and placing very few trades. One of the first things I take a look at is the profit factor, which is 1.67. My next step I'm going to save these default settings for the EA so I can use these as a reference to compare against moving forward to strategy number 2. I'm going to save these as EA Monster underscore default underscore H1 and save it under my Mql5 folder on my computer. The reason for doing this, as different versions are released, there might be new default set files for the Monster EA. If you are looking to trade different set files, I'm going to show you how to attach the software and load a set file to a chart. Firstly, open the chart for the instrument and time frame that you want to trade. Next, enable auto trading on your MetaTrader terminal. Under the Inputs tab for the Expert Advisor, we are simply going to load the set file that we'd like to use. You'll notice in the right hand corner of the chart a smiley face which indicates the software is running. So now that we've covered the default and basic settings for the Expert Advisor, let's take a closer look at our more advanced second strategy. Back on the strategy tester, I'm going to Expert Properties. Okay, let's make this window a little bigger because the EA has a large variety of options. A large variety. Firstly, I'm going to change the Trend Analyzer to True. Next, under the Strategy Settings selector, I'm going to use the Open By or number 1. Lastly, I'm going to adjust the lot sizing option to an auto lot of True so that the lot sizing adjusts for the balance in the account. Now that we've made these few basic changes to the settings, we are going to run another test on the same period. Let's take a closer look at the results. During the 12-month period, Monster EA closed $4,049.90. On the graph, we see a positive curve with periods of drawdown. You can see it placed very few trades. You can see that the adjustments made to the Expert Advisor has caused it to place less trades than previously. Only 30 trades compared to the 71 of before, with a profit factor of 2.22. The drawdown of 6.55% is slightly on the high side compared to the growth of 4%. My next step, I'm going to save the set file for the EA so that I can use it moving forward. I'm going to save this as EA Monster underscore aggressive underscore H1. The reason why I'm saying aggressive because the EA was intended to run on the daily chart. The set file will be saved under the link below, so feel free to use it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Happy trading. Bye.